If you've forgotten your LinkedIn password or want to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Go to the LinkedIn login page. Visit the LinkedIn website and navigate to the login page where you usually enter your credentials. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Below the password field, you will see a link that says Forgot Password. Click on this link to initiate the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email or phone number. You will be prompted to enter the email address or phone number associated with your LinkedIn account. Fill in the required information and click Submit. Step 4. Check your email or SMS. LinkedIn will send you a password reset link via email or a verification code via SMS, depending on what you provided. Open your email or SMS and follow the instructions in the message. Step 5. Create a new password. Once you access the reset link or enter the verification code, you will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then confirm it and save the changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to log into your LinkedIn account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance.